I am Krishna. Today in this video, I will speak regarding the importance of pre-primary classes, that is LKG, UKG, nursery, and also the curriculum of Telangana Global Group of Schools, that is Fortunes High School, Tilaknagar branch. Pre-primary students' age will be around 2.5 years to 5 years. Scientifically, brain grows faster at this age. That means the grasping power will be more at this age. So it is always better to see that the child is near to education and he is tuned to total education system. At this age, whatever we put it in their mind, it will be carried forward for number of years to come. So all parents, you see that the child gets proper education during LKG, UKG and nursery. Then my second topic, the curriculum of the school. Basically, first we give importance to the pattern of learning. For your information, a child learns through 3 patterns. One is visuals, second one is auditory, and third one is kinesthetic. Visuals. Child learns by seeing the video. It may be through cell phones or when he is in the school to the projector. That is audio video classes. The second pattern is auditory. A teacher will be explaining or repeating the name n number of times and the child learns that time. The third pattern, kinesthetic, that means by doing he will learn. Whatever we have shown in the video or whatever the teacher repeats, he will come and he will explain it to the other student. Means learning by doing. In this school, we first identify the pattern which a child is comfortable. Suppose a child is comfortable with visuals and there is a hard topic or a topic which a child feels as difficult. We will choose the visual pattern. Child learns it easily. But over a period of time, we will see that visual, auditory and kinesthetic all are balanced and a child has interest towards the education. After identifying the pattern, we also give importance to the mental stability of a child. Mentally, they should be strong. Most of the times or sometimes you will see that a child is diverted. Then at that stage, he will be very stubborn. There are simple exercises. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out exercise. These exercises, if they repeat 5 to 10 times, their thought process will get diverted. The child becomes normal. Whatever you want to communicate, you can communicate to him at that point of time. Third, we give importance to the physical fitness, means the entire body. But at nursery level and LKG level, we give more importance to the fingers. We give more exercise to the fingers. Example, this is one type of exercise which makes the fingers flexible. In that way, a child's writing skill will develop. Then after the 1, 2, 3 pattern, we will be moving towards the nutrition food. We guide the parents about the food which has to be given to the child. We give them monthly chart. A parent can comfortably follow that. Healthy food will have a healthy body. Healthy body gives a healthy mind. Healthy mind, the child can grasp more knowledge easily. Then our unique program, PMP, Positive Mind Programming. This program is very unique. We put positive thoughts inside a child's mind so that a child learns quickly and he will be happy always. Then discipline level. See, most of the challenge during the last 1.5 years was discipline. Once a child comes to school, he will wake up at the right time, he will eat right at the right time, he will take bath at the right time, and discipline level automatically gets started. Then the academics. Academics, we follow the playway method. A child learns by interest. We celebrate all the festivals. we celebrate color days. Then we have n number of features, which if you come to the school, we will be explaining all the features. Apart from academics, we give to the overall development of a student, which I have already explained to you. Then finally, a pre-primary classes can be compared with the pillar of a building. You want to construct a 20-floor building. It all depends upon the pillar, strength of the pillar. Similarly, for higher education, pre-primary classes are very, very, very important. Nursery, LKG and UKG. Parents, please take more care during this period, that is 2.5 years to 5 years. Once their foundation is strong, the classes to come, they will perform in a better way. For further informations, you can contact 84980887747. You can come to the school and collect all the details. Thank you.